Hi everyone, welcome back to DIYgeardo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Oneplus Nord 2 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone, eject the SIM tray, and follow with the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, apply heat around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is on the bottom of the cover. Gently use the suction cup to create an opening. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time, and gently pull out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the flashlight sensor plug bracket and then disconnect the plug. Next, undo 9 screws securing the board cover and then pull out the cover using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the not working front and rear cameras from the body. First, disconnect and pull out the front camera by loosening the tape. Next, disconnect and pull out the wide, ultra-wide and macro cameras from the logic board. Next, secure the new wide, ultra-wide and macro cameras into the board. Next, secure the new front camera into the board and then secure the tape. Make sure the tape is coming with the replacement part. If not, peel it from the broken front camera and then paste it on the new front camera. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place the board cover and secure it by adding 9 screws. Next, connect the flashlight connector plug and secure the bracket. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the rear cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.